Hello and welcome, dear viewers. As the world continuously evolves, so do the grand economic strategies of superpowers. Today, we delve into a compelling topic that has global implications. China's multi-billion dollar handshake with Africa has transformed landscapes, economies, and futures in Africa. But is there a shift on the horizon? Together, we will traverse through the heart of these infrastructure investments, unpacking Beijing's potential recalibration, the intricate dance of geopolitics, and the deep rooted reasons that drive this symbiotic relationship. Recently, a piece from CNN dated 27th September 2023 ignited our curiosity and laid the foundation for today's exploration. Let's uncover the layers behind the headlines, the lawns, and the legacies. Across Africa, cities are evolving thanks largely to infrastructure investment from China. For example, Zimbabwe's progress in power. This showcases the synergy between African progress and China's funding. China's Belt and Road Initiative has reshaped cities from Lagos in the west to Nairobi or Addis Ababa in the east, offering more connectivity. However, data reveals a changing trend. Is China rethinking its investments in Africa? Experts hint at China's evolving strategy not just in Africa but worldwide. A global pattern is emerging. China's investment approach seems to be transforming. Before we continue, here's a golden opportunity for all our future civil servants watching this. Introducing the best online civil service course offered by IAS in depth. We bring to you 126 meticulously crafted lectures in line with the UPSC syllabus, a robust test series boasting 2,400 plus questions, practice with previous year's question papers, comprehensive class notes accompanying each lecture, also 100 plus flashcards to enhance your memory and revision. So visit iasindepth.com and kickstart your civil service preparation with the best resources available online. Multiple factors might be influencing this trend. Global economic challenges, internal fiscal concerns, and a dynamically changing geopolitical landscape could be reshaping China's overseas lending strategies. Initiated almost a decade ago, China's ambitious project aimed at echoing the grandeur of the historic Silk Road, bringing prosperity and development to partnering nations. While the impact has been largely positive, the path hasn't been without its bumps, be it environmental apprehensions or concerns around national debts. The upcoming Beijing Forum is in the spotlight. The world waits to see China's next investment moves. Hints suggest China's shift towards greener projects or a more environmentally conscious approach. The partnership between China and Africa is intricate and robust. Its global implications are vast. If this deep dive intrigued you, please give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. We would love to hear your insights on this topic, so drop a comment below. Thank you.